Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Chandra Fediansyah, and this is my friend
Fafa Hadinadha.
from class 4A Publishing.
Here we will explain about the country of France, maps, flags, and iconic places in the country.
France, officially known as the French Republic, is a country whose metropolitan territory is located in Western Europe and also has islands and overseas territories located on other continents. France is a development country with the world's sixth largest or nominal GDP or eighth largest or triple P economy. And this is a map of France.
And this is the national flag of France. French flags, the French flag are also known as the tricolor in the national flag of France, which was first introduced on 27 July 1789 by Gilbert du Motier de Lafayette. This flag has the three colors, namely blue, white, and red. The color pattern currently used was introduced by President Valéry Marie Giscard d'Estaing.
Next, we will describe the iconic places in France. The Eiffel Tower in French Tower Eiffel is an iron tower built on the Champ de Mars on the banks of the river Seine, Paris. This tower has become a global iconic of France. Named after its designer Gustave Eiffel, the Eiffel Tower is the tallest building in Paris and one of the most famous structures in the world.
The etiquette the tourists must adhere to when visiting in France. Number 1. Try to always dress neatly. Number 2. Don't use the number 13. Number 3. Say bonjour or bonsoir as a greeting. Number 4. Avoid putting your elbows on the dining table. Number 5. Don't empty the wine glass if you don't want to drink anymore.
Dress etiquette in France. France is one of the fashion centers in the world. This creates a culture or tradition in which every society pays great attention to how they look. If you come to France and visit local people's places, try to always dress neatly. Formal or semi-casual style is the right choice to be well received by local people in France.
Speaking of business, French people are more formal and respect hierarchy. To build relationship with French people, try to start with small talk, but do not talk about personal life, because they rarely bring personal matters into the workplace. Hierarchy is strictly adhered to in France. Decisions come from superiors and subordinates only according to directions from superiors. This can be frustrating for people who are used to taking the initiative.
Here are a few things visitors shouldn't do while in France. Number 1. Forget to say greetings. 2. It is forbidden to make topics about money. 3. Do not eat before all dishes are served. 4. Don't criticize French food. And 5. Lebay and noisy.
For tourists, here are some tips if you want to vacation in France. Number 1. Do a little research about France. Number 2. Prepare visa. Number 3. Research on lodging. Number 4. Always say bonjour. Number 5. Adaptation.
Talking about the most popular bookstores in France is actually a lot, but here we will discuss one of the famous bookstores in France, namely Shakespeare and Company. Shakespeare and Company is located in the 5th arrondissement with a cafe next door and has a long history associated with the lost generation of the expats who inhabit Paris in the 20s. Inside the shop you will find a mess of book section, alcove, and reading rooms with lot of secrets nooks perfect for curling up with one of their books. The shop has inspired many writers, travelers, and readers over the years. Shakespeare and Company, a shop with a long history.
Maybe that's just a little explanation from us about the country of France. Hopefully, it can be useful for many people.
Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.